All I wish to say is this dash shows all. I is omitted. Wish. This draw shows wish. 2 is omitted. Says. This is double circle which shows a says. Next allowed to be made. Allowed. This is L circle. This is T stroke. This stroke and L stroke shows allowed to be omitted. Next made. This is M circle which shows a made. This M circle is a half because we team right in M stroke. Next allowed to continue. Allowed. This is a L stroke. This is T stroke which shows allowed. 2 is omitted. Continue. This is a T stroke. C-O-N con. Con is omitted. This is rule. This is T stroke. New. This shows a new. Continue. Allowed to the efficiency bar. This is L stroke. This is T stroke which shows allowed. 2 is omitted. Cross. This is a K stroke. This is R hook. This is a circle which shows a cross. D is omitted. Efficiency. This is a F stroke which shows efficiency. Bar. This is a B stroke. This is R hook which shows a bar. Allowed to function. This is L stroke. This is D stroke which shows allowed. 2 is omitted. Function. This hook shows F. This is N stroke. This is a shan hook. This F hook and N stroke. Shan hook which shows function. Allowed to harp. This is L stroke. This is D stroke which shows allowed. 2 is omitted. Harp. This is a R stroke. This is M stroke which shows a harp.